Okay, today I got the front drive sprocket and the 3 return rollers added. And I know the real StuG III has the front sprocket is where it drives the tracks. And on this replica, that's just going to be an idler with kind of a faux gear tooth on there that I'll paint to make it look as much as I can like the real StuG sprocket. And then the rear, it's going to be driven from the rear rollers. So that's also going to be adjustable to keep the track tension from the back as well. Here's what I got for the drive sprockets. This is a plastic wheel with a bearing in it, and it was a solid rubber tire, so I just cut the rubber tire on it, and it had a nice flange here. So I cut a 2-inch hole with a hole saw to match the diameter of that flange, and bolted my 2 sprocket halves onto that. And then this is the bracket I made. So this is the bolt that actually came with the wheel. So I welded a piece of tubing on the end of that to get it at the right height, and then a bracket to mount that. I cut a little bit off the end of the thread there so it'll fit inside the cap. And then I have these faux sprocket teeth, 21 teeth, just like the real one. So that'll screw onto the side on both sides of it. And then I made this spacer to get over the bolt heads there. So that spacer goes there, and the cap goes there to look similar to the real drive sprocket. And when it's all together, it looks like this. Okay, here I have the 6 brackets to mount the return rollers. It's just a piece of 3/8 steel rod. This is a 5/16 rod just because it's what I had around, and an 1/8-inch plate, 2 holes to mount it. And then these are 5-inch wheels are to scale. That goes on there. Spacer, the other one, and then there's a hole there so I can put a cotter pin, washer and a cotter pin to hold that one on. And then that'll just bolt to the side of the hull, 3 per side.